Embarking on a journey often begins with the art of packing, a skill that can significantly enhance your travel experience. Efficient packing is not just about fitting all your essentials into a suitcase, it's about doing so with finesse and creativity. Create a checklist tailored to your destination and the duration of your trip. For different climates, layering is key. Pack versatile pieces that can be combined for warmth or adjusted for cooler evenings. Utilize space-saving techniques like rolling clothes and make use of every nook and cranny in your luggage. Invest in packing cubes to organize and compress your belongings, maximizing space while keeping things tidy. Consider the dual purpose of items. A scarf can be a fashion accessory or a blanket, and a sarong transforms into a beach cover-up or picnic mat. Pack miniature toiletries in reusable containers to save both space and the environment. A well-thought-out travel wardrobe is essential, so mix and match items for various outfit combinations. Finally, streamline your packing process by using technology. Take photos of important documents, create digital itineraries, and rely on travel-sized gadgets. Subscribe to share your packing prowess with fellow travelers and let the journey begin.